Hey there guys, we're just going to play with some marble tracks that I've been waiting for ages. Now it's finally the time to do the marble track of the century. No.
The marble track of the century?
No, the millennium. How do you say that? No.
Millennium?
Eon, yeah.
Eon, that's a good one.
Eon!
Alright, yeah. Alright, so I didn't know it was this important what we're doing. It has to be the marble run of the Eon or the millennium or something.
Yup.
Yeah? Alright, so guys, the only thing is that we only have this space because we want to make it a challenge, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, because we normally do our marble run on the floor and we just make crazy marble runs. But we're going to make it fit on this table and we're going to make it as fun and as cool as possible.
Yes, and then we'll do a close-up of marbles going like
Yeah, and we'll follow the marbles as they go around the track.
loop-de-loops.
Yeah? Alright, so we have some marbles or marble run stuff around the room. So if you just go to the edge and get some from over there.
Yes.
So they have an idea what it
So
is.
much other pieces, but
Let me
can't say
film
its
you a
name.
little bit. So I just want people to see up close.
Oh.
What's your favourite piece, Seeks?
I have an epic ramp. And
Oh, the ramp. Okay, when we find it, we'll show them.
yes.
It's got to be here somewhere.
Yes.
Alright. So, basically, we'll just get going. And we'll keep showing the guys at home what we're doing.
But anyways, yes, and then you can kind of
Come
make,
this way a bit more.
you can kind of make it go like maybe, and or you can do some whole thing like put some stuff here, do lots of stuff there, put nothing there.
Alright.
Make a ramp that leads right back to the original track. And
So
let all the marbles go.
what we should start doing is let's start actually getting the stands on. Let's actually start it.
Careful. That's not the
There you go. Well
And this
done.
stuff is now something that I've learned is that if this stuff is started hanging like this, then soon before you know it, the whole thing will be going like droopy.
Well, I'll tell you what.
You have to put some
Before we get to that point, so I'm gonna put one more.
hopefully what's happening.
Yeah. So to avoid getting to that point,
You can put it up as much as we
what I need it to be. This one. So it's gonna go round, down the steps, around here, change back direction and come back this way.
we should probably check it though, so we should get a close up.
Should we get a close up?
Yeah, for the
Alright,
test.
ready? No testing. We're gonna do the whole thing. We're gonna just be confident and then we're gonna see how it looks.
Okay,
So
now let's
I'm
look
just
at it.
recording what we've got here, which by the way looks fantastic.
Okay.
Get a shot of Ziki here. Alright, so we'll start it.
Let's see. You have to make, yeah, you have to be confident.
Have to be confident.
But before
There you go, guys.
But before
It just
we
spins.
wait, you have to stop. You have to find. You have to make sure that I have
Oh,
those
that,
pieces.
this one? That one?
Yeah, but I have to find.
Explain.
Yes. If you get these, you should put it there so we can test.
Alright, show that camera. Go.
If you kind of get these pieces, then so you have to get these pieces to make sure that this either goes here or here. Or else it's gotta be like get out of here.
Alright, so where do you want to put that piece then?
You have to put this piece where this thing is.
Yeah.
Okay. Make sure it's connected.
Okay.
Then you have to try connecting this stuff.
So
I've never done it before though.
why don't we use? I saw this purple piece. Show that camera you clipping it in. Go close.
So
Clip.
click. Oh, let me just do this one more time. Just
I
click.
love that sound. You know that click because we just click. We just click.
Actually, let's do just say it. Say it.
We just. There you go.
That's more like it.
But I want to make sure that it's really secure.
Right,
because-
that's where the marble goes.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Wow. So we have to put it on that one then.
one right here.
Okay. And then this one.
Yes, that would be a great idea. Now,
So, Ziki, that's really cool, right?
so
Because
yeah.
from what I can see, let me get some message. The market's going to start up here. It's going to go down, then it's going to split between these two.
It's about to be boring.
Right? This part will come here and go here, and this part it will go here and still end up here.
Great.
That's cool.
And it's really big high.
Okay, I'll tell you what. Zeke. I'll tell you what, right?
Yeah.
Alright. You
Wait, we have to stop right in the tracks.
wait, this one needs to be on here, please.
We need to stop finding the tracks though.
Why?
Because we should add one here or it's going to be off me.
Oh, wait.
That does not work. So let's just swap the idea.
I don't know. It seems like we're doing okay.
Wait, if you're going to do this then...
Yeah, so take the two bottom ones out. Okay, yeah. Or should we all take another two?
Now, let's just this one. Now, last part.
You have to stick it in good, yeah? Otherwise everything...
Last part is to... This part, right on. But look, this part has become disconnected. No, it's not!
A few minutes later.
Well.
Well...
Now,
So, look. Now we can join these bits together.
okay.
What do you think?
Higher. And...
Push. Get more column pieces for me.
Yeah.
Go on, try and... How many do we need?
Let's not put any here. Because this is where the marble drops.
Oh!
Yeah.
Alright, so we need to put some... Oh, you want to use that piece?
Yes, but then after that, you should probably find a ramp. Because then you can make a whole new better and more sturdier thingy. We can use this for your walls to put something this part here so that and it goes ramps on it.
Or we'll just like land in here?
Yeah. Or we
Do
can
you know what I think we should do, Zeke? I think we've done pretty good, right? I think when it goes on the ramp, we should just put this here and it just lands inside.
okay, let's get the marble.
Right? So,
Let's get closer.
let's walk it through. Let's walk it through because it looks really good. Yeah?
Yes.
Now,
Someone's gonna have to send one to edge.
so I'm just getting a closer view. We got Israel and we got Ezekiel as well. And we're just going to see how it goes, right? I'm going to try and move it so that we have this right in the middle of the table.
Hopefully you want to go crashing on it. Oh!
A few minutes later.
This is the moment of truth.
This is the moment of justice, truth, and for all you haven't done for all these years. It's the time, men. The time we get this stuff together and go all out. Oh, this is beautiful.
Right. Israel, can you do it from over there for me? Can you stand right there where my finger's pointing?
Train.
Thank you. All right.
Anyways.
Go for it. Zeke, you recording?
Yes.
Okay, make sure you follow it, yeah? Alright, go on, Israel.
Don't do it. Let's go roll it out there.
Oh, did it go in?
Yes, I went in.
All right, well done. So this time it went down that way.
Yeah.
So
This time.
Israel, get that same marble and let's hope that it goes the other way and I'll get some more. All right, come on, we got 5%. This is a big thing. Alright, now.
I hope I got it the right way. Yes!
Yes, it did.
Seriously? Let's push it.
Wait. We didn't move the thing. Okay.
A few minutes later.
No. Sure. This is probably. No.
Alright, go on, guys. I've got the whole thing in the shot.
I can't do it fast. You go. No, you get it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Wait.
Oh, it got stuck in the loop. It got stuck in the loop.
The actual loop.
Oh no.
And he said loop here. That was the actual loop of this.
No, okay, so that's like a bend.
Now we're gonna break
That's a
it.
bend. And that's a loop.
So you make
Alright, so guys.
break it. Break it.
Well, we don't want to
It's gonna be cool for the end part.
No, because things are going to break, because everything's tightened together. So we can't just wreck it, because things will snap and break. But if you want, it can record us putting things, clearing it, and I can make it fast motion. No, that was fun. We made a big marble run, didn't we?
Yup.
We had it split up and then joined back together. We had a bend, we had a loop, we had step,
Everything.
didn't we?
Yes.
We had the swirly bit.
That's the loop. We had to run.
Yeah. So Zeke, what's your final thoughts?
My final thought is.
I will let you say the last thing.
My final last thing to say is, hope you all have a great day and you read a lot of Dive from Kid, which is the best book series ever did, maybe not for you, but who cares?
Okay, so Zeke's a lover of Diary of a Wimpy Kid.
Yep.
Guys, keep building. Whether it's Lego, Marble Run, whatever it is, keep building, innit, guys?
Click your finger so you can say, we just click. 3, 2, 1. Wait.
Wow.
We just click. There we go. The camera was a little off.
Alright, say bye, guys.
Just bye.
Off cameras. Off cameras, Zeke. Zeke, off cameras. Alright, well done.